Oh, did I get you upset?
No. She'll let you know. In no uncertain terms. Right, Ken?
Wow. Wow.
What else do I need? Add something else, quick.
Penny. Penelope. Can you say mama?
Who did that?
Can you say mama? Mama. Guess not.
Oh, is the Miss America pageant on tonight?